can you silence typing on the iPad? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe for more tips and explanations like this one. So the first method is to silence the whole iPad. By the way, there are actually three ways how you can stop or silence the typing. So the first one is by silencing the whole iPad. So I could go to the control center, enable the silent mode, or as well go to the settings and sounds, and there is the silent mode toggle as well, which will make everything quiet, including the typing. But as we are inside of the settings as well, you can go to the sounds as we are in here, and from the list of all of the different toggles, you should also find keyboard clicks, and that is the specific toggle for the typing. So whenever you're using the software keyboard on the screen on the iPad, this decides if you hear the sounds or not. Like, you can enable the keyboard clicks or not. Personally, in my case, I keep it turned on, or in my case, it doesn't even matter because my iPad is permanently in the silent mode. So I never hear the keyboard clicks, even if it's turned on in here, because the whole iPad is silent. So that was the second method of how you can achieve this. But the third option would be a little bit more advanced, I guess. But there are people who just go to the App Store and look up a different keyboard for their iPad. Obviously, you don't have to do it, but there is a way to download a third-party keyboard. For example, the Gboard from Google is a great choice, and you can essentially just replace your Apple keyboard with the Google one, and that one will come with a different set of settings and all of the different features. So you would turn off the keyboard clicks there, or perhaps set it up in even other ways. But that is all from me. That's all I wanted to say. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tips so you don't miss anything important, and I hope to see you later as well. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.